everything is okay right here.
Oh my gosh, you said it's not hot? You crazy?
Now it is. It wasn't though.
Yeah, well, it's like, oh my god.
What happened?
I saw that big freaking. I thought it was something else.
We might have to climb over this
It was
because
just a lizard.
I just noticed like none of my videos I said hi guys, welcome to my channel, or thank you for watching my videos. So sorry. Can you hold this?
You're climbing it over there?
Where else? You think they're gonna get mad?
I think that you should do it over here.
Yeah, me too. Uh-oh.
Hurry, go.
Alright, give me your turn. Let's go before they see us. Oh, be careful.
They're like, no.
We have to be careful that no freaking car comes zooming like they
runs at us.
Imagine.
Oh, there's actually good freaking LTE over here.
Oh shit, I forgot the black dog.
Okay. Oh, he's walking over.
You sure?
If that dog comes running at me, I'm just letting you know I'm gone.
I know, you don't care about me. See ya. That sounds like the chainsaw. I think we're about to go to the beach. It's not even that sunny outside, and it's supposed to rain like in 2 hours, but anything to get out and enjoy the day, so that's what I'm gonna do. Outfit of the day is nothing special. I have a white tank with my bathing suit that matches my shorts and my freaking sandals. So we made it to Crash Boat, which is the best beach in Puerto Rico, and it used to be, I mean it's still beautiful, but it used to be weirdo. But everything that happened like really messed it up. Oh my god, please send me that. But look. Like the dock area used to be longer, that got washed away. I'm gonna show you like the place I was right next to it that got knocked down. Look.
I should have put one of those chairs for like. You wanna go over to that?
So beautiful. You want to say hi? It's crazy because this did not used to look like this, like at all, and it's so sad. And they be stray dogs everywhere. That dog looked thirsty, hungry, out of it. I don't even have anything to give it. I'm in Aguadilla right now, which is like 30 minutes, 25 minutes from where we're staying, where my great-grandparents live.
These are like the little meats that he's grilling right now.
Oh yeah. We're walking to get something to drink. I look so burnt. You know that? Like, I mean like sweaty, I meant.
Make sure you put stuff on yourself. Like
I did.
goggles so you can see underwater and all that.
Oh yeah. You saw those two big fish, right?
Yeah,
They were huge.
They were like this one.
Yeah, they were huge.
See that? Look, it's still fixing, man.
Of course. It's gonna take a while.
Yeah. Don't go next to the door.
Why? That's what mommy want. Let's get it for her. And what else?
You got one like this?
One?
Yeah.
That's what mommy wants.
Ahí, ahí. ¿Cuánto es, primo?
Tres pesitos, pa.
You want one cake?
No, thank you.
You want to
That's
taste
a
it?
must-have, girl.
I know, but I feel
is
like
mandatory.
let me try it first. Let me try it
The
first.
vitamins, it's like,
Let us try it first.
I hate coconut water. Like when they have it in
no,
the.
but it don't taste like the way you get it when it's pre-packaged.
It's not the same.
It is not the same.
That's fresh from the coconut tree.
Okay.
It's an acquired taste. It is, but it rehydrates
Isn't it
you.
supposed to be like super good for you?
Yes, and it rehydrates you. Let me get another one. Bob.
Okay.
You want to take this one? For yourself?
Okay. Thanks.
When
It
you
tastes
finish,
way
come
better
back,
than.
Come back so I can cut a half for you so you can eat the inside. Don't
Huh?
throw this away because that's the spoon.
Okay. Oh, that's dope.
Tastes better, right?
Yeah.
The packaged one, definitely.
Way better. I get disgusted when I drink that. Lit?
All day, every day.
Coco frío tengo. You want more inside? Let me know, pa.
I want to record it.
$5.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
You want a better one? This one.
Why
Better.
this one?
This one has a little more.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Give me this one.
Thank you.
No, that was good.
¿Ah? Sí, está suavecita, pero no tiene mucho. Esta está mejor. I just cut this one for the. One doesn't add nothing.
I didn't have anything.
This one's better, bro. Trust me. This is the white stuff.
All right. Thank
you,
you.
Mama. Have a nice day.
You too. My hair looks crazy though. No, it doesn't. Schmood. Currently eating this chicken with barbecue sauce, garlic, banger,
And honey.
and honey. I don't know if I like it anymore.
Oh.
Let me see. Beautiful, beautiful. Wait, let me
Oh my god, can't wait.
Wait, Ma, let me take a picture of my phone. His balls hang low. Do they wobble to the floor? Do they shine in the light? Are they platinum? Are they gold? Yeah. We just got back from the beach. I'm so burnt. My arms are burnt. My legs are burnt. Everything is just burnt. I don't even know if putting on makeup is gonna cover this, but either way, my burntness turns into darkness, so I'm cool with that. I just wasn't trying to get burnt because tomorrow. You going to the bathroom now?
Yeah, but just give me a second.
I'm trying to actually see if I rent a car. So tomorrow we could go to El Yunque, which is the rainforest in San Juan, and because we're driving a 1998 car, so it doesn't drive the best. So I don't know, I'm thinking of doing that. I'm just waiting to see if my family gives me the okay, and then I'm definitely gonna do that, because I will be putting that on my credit card just so we could be like smooth sailing, because it's like 2 hours away from where we're at now, and I don't want to like risk getting into an accident or the car breaking down or anything like that. So we'll see. I'm waiting to take a shower. I called dibs, so I'll be the first one to take a shower, but everyone's using the bathroom.
Everything is okay right here.